See the harvest for the vertical sack. Yeah, so we've taken the harvest from here, and this is how it looks. Wow, so amazing. And they look so fresh. They're just fresh from the garden. Yeah, so you're going to make a smoothie with this, a spinach smoothie of this spinach, a mango, and some sweet bananas. Yeah, so I'm going to have that for my supper. Yep, yep, yep. You can see how fresh they are. Can you imagine? This is a harvest for just 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks, 3 weeks and some days. But this is what we planted on the vertical sack. Yeah, a harvest for the vertical sack. So fresh. My goodness, it's so exciting. Farming is so exciting. It's so exciting. These are spinach. Yeah, spinach, 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 spinach. Yep, 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 yep. Wow, beautiful. So guys, here is the smoothie I've made from the spinach that I got from the vertical sack farm. The spinach from the vertical sack farm, the sweet bananas also from our farm, the pawpaw, I've put a pawpaw, and I've also put some mint leaves. Yeah, and also an avocado also from our farm. So it has an avocado, it has sweet bananas, it has pawpaw, and it has some mint leaves. Yeah, wow. So I've taken a glass already, so this is for tomorrow. Yes, 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 yes. Woo!